Hi guys, we're taking a look at my DoColor Dream in Color 17-piece makeup brush set. So first off, obviously the pastel colors in this are amazing. Such a pretty color selection. And the brushes itself are super soft. So I'm going to test them out in this video so you can kind of see how they apply product as well. So I started out with a large, I would say it's like a contour brush or powder brush, not sure. Actually, that's got to be the contour brush because it's on an angle. So I tried out the contour brush for some bronzer, and then I did the under eye ones. You kind of just see as I pick them up. Obviously, this is a highlight brush. Holy, did it ever make it pop. I applied a little bit of setting spray to the brush as well. So that's kind of my trick to making it super pop like we did here. So definitely works well. You could use that as a nose contour as well. So it comes with a ton of face brushes. As you can see, I'm using here a buffing brush. All of them very kind of dense. The material of them is a fiber wool with a aluminum tube, and then the handle is going to be rubber. So that goes for all of them. And then now I've worked my way over to the eye brushes. I love the shape of the contour eye shadow brushes. So really impressed with all the shadow brushes. Those are like my favorite for them from the whole set. The powder brushes or larger face brushes were super soft as well though. Also comes with like a lip brush, which I did not show here, but the shadow brushes, I cannot go on enough about them. So you can see I applied a little bit of a shimmer. What are we doing now? Oh, inner eye highlight. I've used just one of their smaller brushes so I don't apply too much shimmer. And then we're going to go into line. I feel like the liner brush would work better with like a gel liner. You can see it kind of smudged a bit. So I feel like if you're going to use that liner brush, do it with either like a super densely packed powder, or you're best off using like an actual gel liner with it. So just my only kind of downfall with that one would be, or for the brushes would be that, yeah, don't use that for a shadow brush because it's not quite dense enough. Other than that though, that's just like a quick, easy daytime natural eyeshadow look I came up with. But I love the brushes. Definitely check them out.